All right. So my name's Ethan Yan, and I'm going to eighth grade in the fall to William and Middle School.
My name is Jeremy, and I'm also going to 8th grade at Liu and Ethan Yan.
So we all like music sometimes, unless it's Taylor Swift. But looking at this innocent little robot here, it's hard to believe that it can play songs far better than Taylor Swift will ever be able to create. Well, fortunately for the world, for this robot's career, it has the built-in buzzer capable of playing all notes to utmost perfection.
Our project is called Music Notes, and the goal of our project is to detect the length of the black bars and then convert the distance into different notes. Then it is stored in an array, and once the robot detects silver, it will play all the notes inside the array.
So get ready for a long explanation on how this will work. But essentially, well, we detect the length of each bar through what we call encoders, and which is basically there's a sensor inside the motor that keeps track of the number of rotations of the wheel. So there are approximately 1950 encoders per rotation. Now we also must calculate the number of encoders per centimeter for us to be able to convert the number of encoders to centimeters. And we complete this essentially by finding the circumference of the wheel, which was 6.5 centimeters, and then we divide it 1950 by 6.5 to get our by the circumference to get the encoders per centimeter. Every time the robot drives onto the block, it will set the count, and once it exits the block and enters the white again, it will count the number of encoders on the black line before finding out how long in centimeters the black bar is.
We have worked tirelessly on our project for the last 3 days.
Yes, very long time. So for this project, we must have an efficient guide and blueprint to rely on for the code of our project. And of course, the first thing we must start with is a flow chart, which we created right here. It's kind of small, but yeah.
We had numerous issues while working on our project, such as the silver tape. While attempting to detect the amount of light found in the white and silver tape, we found that there was some overlap, which meant that our threshold didn't fully work. As a result, we had to stop in the middle of the silver tape where there was a higher light, so we could easily differentiate the two. Another issue we had was the accuracy of the distance detected. We solved this issue by adjusting the encoder ratio, allowing for more accurate measurements.
Alright, so allow me and my teammate to demonstrate the next way better Taylor Swift, our robot. So yeah, we're gonna start our robot here. Have some patience and bear with us here. A great song that you're making.